Pumasok na po tayo sa round number 9. Manny Pacquiao against Sugar Shane Mosley. At tama na ba pag-usapan dito, gentlemen, na kung namimiligro na ba yung record ni Mosley na never pa siyang nananockout sa isang laban?
Malayo pa eh. Wala pa talagang nagkakaroon ng mix-up eh. They really haven't been mixing it up dahil masyado madulas din si Mosley playing a defensive game. Pero it took him a little time to get out of his stool to answer the bell for the 9th round.
Benito, is this really age itong napagmamasdan natin or is it something else?
I think age plus intimidation. I think the reputation of Manny Pacquiao is just so overwhelmed Mosley into fighting defensively. Ito, mukhang nagpapakita ng konti dito si Mosley throwing that right hand. Bihirang-bihira niya tinatapon yung kanyang kanan.
Yeah, so sinasabihan siya ni Naz Richardson, be aggressive. You have to be aggressive. Another headbutt.
Right hand scored there by Manny.
Mosley scored 1-2.
Manny really is also having difficulty finding his range consistently. Kasi mahaba ang kalaban.
He's been losing a lot of shots.
Yeah. And paatras si Mosley. His defense is up there. But Manny looks very determined to punish Mosley.
And Mosley determined to stay away from that left hand.
Determined. Sometimes I get a feeling he's a little tight, too eager.
Well, marami nagsasabi baka nawala na daw yung killer's instinct ni Manny because yung last fight niya against Margarito parang naawa siya sa kalaban niya.
Ayun. Ako, kaliwa.
Flush to the face ni Mosley. Si Manny, he's aching to score combinations here as per the instruction of Freddie Roach. How then do you rate the defense, Kinito, ni Shane Mosley?
Well, you have to give his defense a high grade. But unfortunately, defense is not going to win fights. You need offense.
And there's the offense mula kay Pacquiao. Source, panggagalingan ng sigla. End of the 9th.
Basically trying to move out of harm's way.
Pacquiao versus Mosley is presented by